Hi, my name is Adam Ciński and I would like to present the VizItPL project which was submitted to Esri Data Visa Challenge. My map tells a story about the presidential election results in Poland. The main purpose of this app is to increase understanding of voter behavior based on examination of the complex statistical and publicly available data. The data that I used comes from Polish Census Bureau and National Election Committee. So let's get it started. My application runs on the web and it's built using Bootstrap and Esri JavaScript API. On top of the website you can see toolbar with the app content. Below you can see a nice carousel slides that will help me answer questions about the election results, find the special patterns and determine factors that influence the voter behavior. Let's see what was the outcome of the last presidential elections held in 2010. At the beginning I receive a nice pop-up telling me what map represents and what are its capabilities. I see the results of elections by county. Red color illustrates the areas with more supporters of Liberal Party PO, and blue areas show the winning of Conservative Party PIS. I can see that there are some patterns in these results, however I cannot straight away say who won the elections. To win, a candidate needs to secure an absolute majority of votes. So I start exploring the map to find the answer to my question. I can pan and zoom the map. I click on one of the counties and see the election results. 64% of voters are for PIS, which is slight decrease in regard to 2005 election results. Total number of votes in this county is around 35,000. Next, I can check the results in my county using Locate Me button. Map is zoomed and centered to my current location, and I receive a pop-up telling me that 54% of voters are for PO. I close my message window, I zoom out my map, and I can summarize the results of elections in the specified radius from my mouse cursor. I click on the next button and see that I can determine the search radius. I leave a default value. As I move my mouse, I can see that the yellow search circle on the map is appeared, and on the left hand side I have a summary of the voters' preferences. I change the radius to 500 kilometers to clearly check who won the elections. I can acknowledge that PO won the presidential elections in 2010. Finally, I can clear my analysis results from my map. Next, I go to my second map, which allows me to compare the elections results from 2005 to 2010. I received the map function capabilities message tool. Using slider bar, I can see these differences in the presidential elections results. There is a lot of change in the western north and western south of Poland. If I'm not sure about this, I can tap on the button and I can show the counties where the winning party had changed. Now it's clear that PO won most of the changed counties. Next, I can check what are geographical mean centers of PO and PIS supporters and the number of votes. I can see that in 2010 more PO voters are located in the northeast of Poland in regard to 2005. PIS voters are more accumulated in the southeast of Poland. More people give their vote in the north of Poland. Then I can show the layer telling me where are located statistically significant hotspots of PO and PIS voters. Now I can clearly see that more PIS supporters are located in the east of Poland, while PO supporters are gathered in the west of Poland. We will try to determine the factors that influence such behavior. Let's move to the third map, which will take into consideration some demographic facts. The app works on every device connected to the internet. As you can see, the app works on the smartphone too. I choose iPhone 6 Plus and the content is resized and repositioned smoothly according to the screen size. This map shows as a background the presidential election results from 2010. Because the main factor of the election outcome is the population, on top of the background, the population density is symbolized using dot density renderer, so that I can see where are the areas most populated in Poland. I can conclude from the map that in urban areas the majority voted for PO. I can see also some anomalies in this pattern in the central east of Poland. I can also deduce where are located the most populated counties in Poland. which in fact corresponds to the number of given votes. These are the white areas. Moreover, I can try to depict the unemployment rate and see if there is a special correlation. The higher unemployment, the bigger and darker dot is placed on the map. It's hard to say if this factor influences the election preferences. After performing the statistical test, we can state that this is not a good explanatory variable. Next, I choose the lifestyle map, which takes into consideration the income and religiosity influence on the election results. The background layer is still the same, however the foreground presents now the deviation from average income in Poland. The bigger dot is the salary is more above the total average income level. The smaller dot is the remuneration is much more below this level. Once again, we clearly see that the biggest wages are in the urban areas. Moreover, good salaries are in the areas with well-developed energy industry companies. This time we cannot say that the welfare is connected to the election results. It's hard to define some hotspots there. Next, we can add information about religiosity in Poland. Red ellipsis shows the areas over the average religiosity. White areas show the opposite. We can see that in more religious areas, people tend to be more for the Conservative Party PIS. The last thing is the contact information that gives more information about the author, resources and the technology implemented in this app. I hope you enjoyed this clip. Thank you for watching. See you, bye.